Very good evenings to each and every CA intermediate students who are going to appear September 26th attempt. Many of the CA intermediate students are struggling to get the exemption in the advanced account paper. So in this particular video, I'm just going to give the brief which kind of papers, that is advanced accounting papers, right? Which kind of papers you will see, and that means you can expect in this coming September 26th attempt. So please listen this video carefully, don't skip, otherwise you will lose the exemption in this paper. So I am having a desk management notebook, my right, and definitely I have written in this that is all kind of chapters that is you will see in the upcoming September 26th attempt, right? So please write down this, right? Take a notebook as well as the pen or pencil, so you can write down for the same. Now if I'm talking about the advanced accounting paper, so the in the last 6 attempt, institute is mainly focusing the three kind of chapters that definitely will ask in the upcoming September 26th attempt also. So the first chapter is, that is consolidated financial statement. So the consolidated financial statement including the CFS plus associates plus joint ventures. So AS 21, 23 and 27 get together, you need to study, and definitely you will definitely do the practice of the questions in accordance with the AS 21, 23 and 27, right? So mark this word, and definitely institute will ask this kind of chapters in 14 marks, right? Now the second chapter is amalgamation. So the amalgamation, absolutely out of the 6 attempt, institute has always asked in the 6 attempt, that is amalgamation 14 marks, right? So you will see in the upcoming attempt, that is amalgamation 14 marks. Now the third chapter is, that is cash flow statement. So the cash flow statement, you did not expect that is that will come in 14 marks, right? Absolutely, it will come in 6 to 8 marks, in between 6 to 8 marks, right? The cash flow statement you have to study thoroughly, right? Direct method or indirect method, as the case may be. Now the fourth chapter is financial statement of companies as per schedule third divisions, right? Then definitely institute will ask in upcoming September 26, that is 14 marks, right? And fifth chapter is, that is buyback of securities. It is an institute pattern is an alternative manner, right? That is buyback of security is institute is asking in the last 6 attempt, institute have asked the 5 attempt this kind of chapter, that is buyback of securities. So you can expect in the upcoming attempt, that is 6 to 10 marks, 6 to 10 marks, this kind of chapters institute can ask, that is buyback of securities, right? Now coming to the next, I'm talking about right now, that is accounting standard. So the accounting standard AS10, you need to study AS10 with AS28, right? Impairment of asset, AS10, that is PPE. So PPE you have to study with the impairment of asset, that is AS10 along with the AS28 get together. And apart from that, you need to study separately accounting standard 15, because institute having the trend that is asking in the question number 1, that is compulsorily question. So AS15 you need to study separately. So the AS10 with AS28 and AS15 separately, that will ask 5 plus 5 marks, that is separately 5 plus 5, so the 10 marks is there. Now coming to the next, that is AS2, AS7, AS16, AS25. Of course, 2 to 4 marks each, right? AS2 each, AS7, AS16 and AS25, 2 to 4 marks each accounting standard institute can ask in the MCQ. Institute can test in the MCQ level, right? And the last one, that is AS15, AS5 plus IFRS, AS11 plus AS5 plus IFRS. Institute will ask the theory on this, that is AS11, AS5 and IFRS, right? So this is the whole kind of stuff of the advanced accounting paper that you will see in the upcoming September 26th attempt. And definitely most of the students has already enrolled in our important curative or tested questions which will come in the examinations, right? Students were absolutely already enrolled, right? And they have already done the questions, that is with the suggested answers. So if you are very much interested into enroll then definitely you can WhatsApp me on the 6397494860. Get enrolled and do the practice for the same, and you will definitely get succeed with the flying colors. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. God bless all of you.